Forget what you think you know about the world's most enigmatic monument. More than 4,500 years ago, a massive structure rose in the desert. Aligned perfectly with the stars, built with mathematical precision, and containing secrets we still don't fully understand. This is not just a tomb. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza, the greatest architectural achievement of the ancient world. Tonight, we reveal how it was really built. Not myths, not legends. Real history, real mystery. And the truth that has fascinated scholars for centuries. The Great Pyramid is the largest of the pyramids at the Giza Plateau, a staggering monument built by the Egyptians around 2560 BCE for Pharaoh Khufu, originally standing about 147 meters tall. It remained the tallest human-made structure on Earth for millennia. Its base covers 13 acres, and it contains roughly 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 and 15 tons. But tonight, we ask the question that still challenges history. How did they build something so perfect with nothing like modern tools? For a long time, people imagined slaves dragging stones across the desert. That story comes largely from ancient Greek writers like Herodotus, who claimed 100,000 laborers took 20 years to finish the job. But recent archaeological evidence tells a different tale. Workers weren't slaves. They were skilled laborers, carpenters, masons, surveyors, and quarry experts. They lived in worker villages near the site where graves, tools, and records show they were cared for and respected. And according to newly discovered ancient papyri journals written 4,500 years ago, the workforce was highly organized, well-supported, and supervised down to daily logistics. This was not chaotic labor. It was precision construction. One of the biggest mysteries is how the Egyptians moved stones weighing tons across land, without wheels or cranes. Researchers believe they used sledges pulled by teams of workers. And most intriguingly, water played a role. By wetting the desert sand ahead of the sledges, friction was dramatically reduced, making it easier to slide massive stones toward the site. And they didn't do it alone. Many of the limestone blocks came down the Nile River from quarries, likely transported by boat along seasonal flood channels closer to the construction site. This was not brute force. This was logistics, planning, and environmental mastery. Once the stones reached the site, they had to be lifted into position. A phenomenal architectural problem. Most historians believe that builders constructed giant ramp systems of earth, brick, and sand that gradually ascended as the pyramid grew. Workers would slide blocks up these ramps using sleds, ropes, and coordinated crews. Archaeological evidence supports multiple ramp theories: straight ramps rising from the base, zigzagging ramps on the pyramid sides, spiral ramps inside the growing structure. No single design is proven, but every model points to organization and ingenuity rather than mystery machinery. What truly stuns scientists and archaeologists is the precision. The pyramid's sides align almost perfectly with the four cardinal directions. Its base is nearly perfectly level, within millimeters over hundreds of meters. Internal passages and chambers are positioned with accuracy that rivals today's construction. How could this be done? Egyptian builders used the stars, especially Orion and the pole star, as celestial guides. They combined geometry, astronomy, and meticulous measurement to achieve what the world still struggles to replicate. Modern tools can confirm pitch, orientation, and geometry. But the means by which ancient Egyptians mastered these disciplines remains a testament to their brilliance. Even today, mysteries persist. Recent scanning technologies have revealed previously unknown voids and internal space within the structure, unexpected cavities that may change our understanding of how the pyramid functioned. And while we have powerful theories about logistics and construction, much about the pyramid's symbolic purpose and internal design still eludes definitive explanation. Was it purely a tomb, or was it also a machine of cosmic symbolism, a map to the stars? A gateway designed to harmonize Earth, and heaven. We may never know every answer, but the Great Pyramid continues to push the boundaries of what humanity thought possible. The Great Pyramid wasn't built by myth, nor by magic, but by organized society, extraordinary planning, and a worldview rooted in cosmic harmony. It stands not just as a tomb or monument, but as a witness to the genius of a civilization that understood astronomy, engineering, mathematics, and belief in ways we are still uncovering today. If the mysteries of ancient civilizations fascinate you, if you want to uncover hidden wisdom older than recorded history, then subscribe to Eternal Kemet. Because here, we don't just explore history. We awaken the secrets buried beneath the sands of time. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us on the journey into ancient knowledge.